Hey, what's up everybody? Steve Billington with the Penguin Outdoors YouTube channel, and today I'm shooting an updated video about my kayak trailer. If you end up liking this video, don't forget to hit that like button, drop me a comment down below and let me know what you think, and do not forget to subscribe. This is my third video about my kayak trailer with the most recent version here, and the last video has been very popular. Lots of great feedback, lots of great questions, a few unintelligent or uninformed or ignorant comments, but that's okay. I just want to say right up front, this trailer is safe. This trailer has thousands of miles on it. It has been a great trailer. There are absolutely no concerns for me with safety of this trailer. Let's jump right into it. So if you're interested, the hair's going to be annoying. The hair's going to be very annoying actually. Hang on. If you're interested in the different phases of this trailer, I'll put some links in the comments or in the description down below, and you can see where this trailer has come from the first version through to now. I kind of already went through that in the past videos, so I'm not going to jump into that now. I'm just going to go through the trailer as it is now and tell you how I got here. So for starters, this is a Harbor Freight 4x8 folding trailer. Now, this trailer doesn't fold. I've made some modifications, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of start at the front and work my way through the back and show you where we're at. So the tongue of the trailer is not factory. This is a customized tongue. The factory tongue bolts right to this plate and stops there. So it just puts it really close to the vehicle, and that didn't work for me. So this is square steel tubing that has been run through the channel, has been welded to the plate. The plate's been welded to the trailer. It's been welded to the angle iron, which is also attached to the trailer. And the coupler, I do not like the standard clip down type trailer connectors. This is much more reliable. This is a Kurt quick pin. This pin here slides through, that goes in, it's not going to come off the trailer. With those coupler types, I've seen them pop loose and come off the trailer, and I'm not interested in that at all. So moving back from there, I do have a spare tire carrier. The spare tire is currently in the car, needs to get back on there, but I have a spare tire carrier. I added, also from Harbor Freight, a trailer jack, which is super convenient. I actually never change the height. It just stays at that height, which is slightly nose down. And I just pop it up when I'm on the move and pop it down when I'm not. My Hobie sits on two PVC runners. Those are 3-inch PVC. They go all the way back. You can see it there sticking, don't mind my mess, sticking out of the back of the Pro Angler there. So the Pro Angler rests on those. To secure it to the trailer, I have lock racks that I've installed. I have channel strut going across here and back there. You can see it under the lock rack there. And that is what secures the bunks to the trailer and what secures the lock racks to the trailer. The trailer does come with fenders. They're junk. The first one broke off not too long ago, and then the second one broke off not too long after that. They didn't break off at highway speeds or anything like that. They actually broke off while going down gravel roads. So I do want new fenders. The replacement fenders specifically for this trailer are like $100 each, and that style obviously doesn't work for me. So we're going to custom fabricate some fenders pretty soon here. The main reason I have not yet done the fenders is because I think I'm actually going to put bigger wheels on the trailer. These wheels are fine. They have served me great, but I would like to have a larger tire. So that's why I haven't done the fenders yet, because I'm currently looking into my options for a bigger tire. Now, for hauling the other two kayaks for my daughter and my girlfriend, I built these two very simple racks. This is channel strut from Lowe's. I've got a channel strut bracket bolted to the trailer. Channel strut comes up, and the top piece and the upright bolt together with these L brackets. They're very sturdy. They're not going anywhere. They're exactly the same for both on both sides. Because I like to fish tournaments, and a lot of times that means I'm getting things ready in the dark, these are actually rock lights that I got on Amazon for like 15 bucks. I mean, they were super cheap. The rock lights are attached with double-sided tape that they come with and zip tied for additional security to these uprights. They're connected here by this wire, because as you can see, there's 3 more here. These lights are connected to the trailer light wiring, and I have a toggle switch just tucked right there. So all I have to do to use those lights is turn on the headlight or the running light for the car and flick that switch, and those illuminate this direction and this direction, which gives me great view of the whole kayak while getting ready in the morning. Actually, here's a clip of it. I'll just go ahead and insert it right here. All right, guys, we made it to the ramp. It's like 3:50 in the morning. Hopefully nobody pulls in the next few minutes and thinks I'm trying to be shady and get on the water. I'm just going to get this all ready. It's kind of spitting a little bit, and there's rain coming behind me. So as you can see, I had plenty of light to work around the vehicle or the kayak in the dark without having my night vision washed out by getting light shining in my face or anything like that. I hook my sorry guys, lost my train of thought. My bow rope for loading and unloading, I actually just wrap it around the trolling motor here, and I clip it either here or to one of the various anchors I have around, depending on the boat ramp and my needs, and I just float it on off of there. The license plate is just screwed in there, just like any other license plate. These lights are the lights that come with the trailer. They can be submersed in water. They've given me absolutely no issues with that. The only problem I've ever had with the lights on this trailer is the ground, and that's just because they have weak grounding points. I ended up taking a wire wheel and taking a small section down to bare metal and putting a bolt instead of a self-tapping screw through there, and that's how I got a solid ground. So overall, this Harbor Freight trailer has been fantastic through the various versions that I've had. This version's working very well for me right now. If I didn't have the other 2 kayaks that I have to occasionally take with me, I wouldn't even have that racking on there. I didn't have it for most of this year, but it's been pretty nice having it on there now. And I really like the lock racks. They're worth the money. So that's my do-it-yourself kayak trailer. You're probably asking yourself, Steve, how much does this cost to build? Well, that's a really good question. If you're me and you've gone through all the various versions, well, it costs a lot, and you could have built, or you could have purchased a trailer or built several trailers, or it's been expensive for me, but lucky for you, I have already done all the experimenting and sorting it out, so it won't cost you that much. The trailer itself, depending on the various promotions that Harbor Freight runs, is between like $400 and $500. The trailer does come in a box, several boxes actually. It doesn't come assembled. You can transport it in a car or SUV. I transported this trailer home from Harbor Freight in the trunk of my Dodge Charger. The channel strut, if you don't already have it around, I think is between the channel strut, the brackets, and the bolts. If you went and bought them, I'm gonna guesstimate about 100 to 150 bucks. So all in all, how much does it cost? Well under $1,000. And if you already have materials sitting around, you're gonna be just fine. The quick coupler from Kurt, I think I paid like $25 or $30 for it on Amazon. It was not that expensive. It's a 2-inch coupler. So this is a very affordable, solid, reliable kayak trailer. So if you need a kayak trailer, there's lots of ideas out there. There's no shortage of YouTubers that will show you different ways to do trailers. Some of them this trailer, some of them other trailers. But I will tell you this, you can take like a 5x8 utility trailer with a wood floor, and you can set that Pro Angler right on the deck. and strap it down and go to the water and back that thing in the water. That's the other thing I want to talk about. I'm so glad I said back it in the water. Okay, when you drive down the road, your hubs get hot, and then you back them into the water and they get a cold crash. One of the things I did is I spent like 25 bucks and I got 2 bearing buddies, one for each wheel. And what that bearing buddy does is it's spring loaded, and you pack it full of grease, and that spring keeps that grease constant pressure on the bearings. That way, when they hit the water and that cold water comes in, they don't get sucked into the hub, because that's what happens with a standard trailer. When it's hot and you roll it into the cold water, that cold water gets sucked into those bearings, and that's no bueno. You don't want that. The Harbor Freight trailer does use a kind of wacky sized bearing buddy. I will put a link to it in the description below where I bought it from, so that you can get one yourself. So if you end up building the trailer, definitely let me know down below. And hey, share some pictures and stuff with me. penguinoutdoorsyt@gmail.com. That's where you can find me. That email is also in the description. Send me the pictures of your trailer. Send me a video. Let me know how your build went and what you liked and what you didn't like. As always, guys, I appreciate you watching my videos. If you're not already a subscriber, definitely smash that subscribe button. We're over 1,000 subscribers, which is humbling and incredible. And I appreciate every one of you who watches my videos, and I can't wait to show you more great content here at Penguin Outdoors. So until next time, guys, tight lines. We'll catch you later.